Hello everyone, welcome to analyticsspike's YouTube channel. Today's video I will discuss complete guideline for Google Tag Manager beginner to advanced. So let's start this video. What is Google Tag Manager? Google Tag Manager is a tag management system (TMS) that allows to you quickly and easily update measurement codes and related code fragment collected known as tags on your website or mobile app. Why do we need Google Tag Manager? Tag Manager gives you the ability to add and update your tags for conversion tracking, site analytics, remarketing, and more. There are nearly endless ways to track activity across your site and have an initiative design lets you change tags whenever you want. What can we track by Google Tag Manager? An advantage of Google Tag Manager is its ability to track link click, specific of the link visitor click on while your website, knowing not just a user scrolling behavior but their clicking behavior provides valuable information on your visitor journey. Some visitor visit your website, he or she click add to cart, purchase, begin checkout, any product, you can track this. What type of tag we manage by GTM, Google Analytics, LinkedIn Pixel, Facebook Pixel, Google Ads Remarketing, Pinterest Pixel, Snapchat Pixel, Twitter Pixel, Google Conversion Tracking, and others. This is your website. Data layer has a GTM container. Google Tag Manager stores your configured tags and fires this script. You can track Google Analytics for Facebook, Google Ads Remarketing tag, Pinterest, and others. How does Google Tag Manager work? Google Tag Manager works by using a signal JavaScript code snippet that you add your website, your site as a container for all the tags you want to manage. It has a listener that detect user interactions such as page view, view content, add to cart, checkout, purchase, any others. When a user loads a page, the GTM listener detects the action. Benefits of Google Tag Manager reduce reliance on developer. You have no need any developer helps. All tags are controlled in one place. Fast deployment of tracking codes, debugging, and error checking. Built-in text templates, custom templates built by the community. If you have ability, you can build or customize any template by Google Tag Manager. Google Tag Manager accounts targeted platforms like web, ISO, Android, AMP server. For use on desktop and mobile web pages, web uses for desktop and mobile web pages. ISO for use for ISO app tracking. Android use for Android apps tracking. AMP use for accelerated mobile pages, like this mobile page you to speed up server side instrumentation and measurement. Overview, Google Tag Manager overview, tags, trigger, variables, folders, template. What is tag? Tags are snippet of code that's analytics, remarketing, and support platform use of integrate with sites and apps. They are like observes you put on your website. They keep track of the what user do, like click, link click, or view pages, and they send this information to tools like Google Analytics, GA4. The tags ultimately help you understand user behavior, like this tag. Triggers. In Google Tag Manager, a trigger listens to your web pages or mobile apps for certain types of events like from submissions, button click, web page. The trigger tells the text on fire when this specific event is detected. Any visitor create a purchase your website, your triggers detect this purchase tag is fire. Every text must have at least one trigger in order to fire. Variables say additional information GTM may need to fire a text or trigger. They help define specific precisely what the text or triggers supposed to do. For example, constant and Google Analytics settings are common types of variables. Variables like this. Variables, two types of variables: built-in variables, user-defined variables. Thank you for watching this video. You can subscribe these channels, stay connected to us, our Facebook page, Twitter page. You have any question, you can mail this mail, LinkedIn page. Thank you.